Welcome to Switchboard Live. In this video, we'll show you how to connect destinations using the PartnerShare link you just received. You've been coordinating with the neighboring town on a joint live stream. They're handling the production and want to broadcast it on your town's YouTube channel and the mayor's Facebook page. So they sent you a PartnerShare link to add your social channels to their Switchboard account. Switchboard's PartnerShare feature lets your partners broadcast directly to your channels without you sharing passwords, downloading software, or even having a Switchboard account. Opting in is quick, easy, and secure. We'll show you how. First things first, security. You are not handing over the keys to your account. PartnerShare acts like a secure handshake. You are simply giving a temporary thumbs up for a specific partner to broadcast to your channels. You stay in control the whole time. Let's start by opening the PartnerShare link you received. The PartnerShare landing page will open. Enter your email address to receive a verification code. Enter that code on the page and you're in. Next, you'll be asked to give your team a name. You can enter your name, your department, or your organization's name. This label helps your partners see exactly which channels belong to you inside of their Switchboard account. Now for the fun part, connecting your destinations. A quick heads up about live streaming requirements. Make sure you meet the live streaming requirements for each channel you wish to connect. Every platform has its own rules, so it's good to confirm them before the live stream event. Let's continue. You'll see icons for YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, X, and Rumble. Click the icon for the platform you wish to add. A window will open asking you to log in and authorize the connection. Follow the prompts until you reach the success screen. Click Close and you're done with that platform. To add more destinations, click Add and select a platform from the list. You can repeat this process for as many destinations as you want to add. What happens next? The social channels that you've connected will show up as destinations in your partner's Switchboard account. When your partner hits Go Live, the live video will stream on their channels and yours at the same time. Your subscribers get notified, watch the content where they usually watch, and you benefit from the cross-promotion without lifting a finger. If you decide to stop sharing your social channels, you have complete control. Simply log into your partner account using the email address and the link that was provided to you. Click the trash icon next to the channel you want to remove, then confirm by clicking Remove Channel. The destination will be removed and your partner will no longer be able to stream to that destination unless you re-add it. Bonus: if you manage socials for multiple departments or organizations, you can set up separate teams under the same email address. Just click Add Team, give it a name, and connect a different set of social channels to that team. This keeps everything organized so your partner can see exactly which channels belong to which team. And that's it. Using a simple link, you've ensured that your community receives the content on the platforms they're already watching. Remember, with Switchboard Live, you can go live everywhere. Visit switchboard.live to get started. Useful links are in the description below. Give this video a like and follow us to stay connected. Thanks for watching. Take care.